This instructional video will demonstrate the proper use of Hygiena's MicroSnap coliform test. MicroSnap test devices have a 12-month shelf life and should be kept in cold storage. The materials you will need include an incubator capable of 37 degrees Celsius, a MicroSnap enrichment device, detection device, the insured luminometer, and a timer of your choice. MicroSnap is a two-step test. The first step is the enrichment step. Write the location or product on the swab tube label for easy identification. For environmental samples, you may collect a sample just like you would with an ATP test. Swab a 4x4-inch square area, applying sufficient pressure to create flex in the swab shaft and rotating to collect sample on all sides of the swab tip. Replace the swab in the tube. For product samples, you may prepare a 10% dilution or add 1 milliliter of liquid food samples directly to the enrichment device. Replace the swab in the tube. Hold the swab tube firmly and use the thumb and forefinger to break the snap valve by bending the bulb forward and backward. Separate the swab from the tube to release the internal pressure and squeeze the bulb twice to expel liquid into the tube. A small amount of enrichment media will stay in the bulb. This is okay. Replace the swab in the tube and shake for 5 seconds. Incubate the enrichment device at 37 degrees Celsius. For enumeration or quantitative measurements, set the timer for 6 hours. For presence-absence testing or qualitative measurement, set the timer for 8 hours. The second step is detection. Allow the detection device to acclimate to room temperature before testing begins. Write the location or product on the swab tube label for easy identification. Holding the swab upright, tap the detection device on the palm of your hand 5 times. This will bring droplets of chemistry to the bottom of the tube. Remove the snap valve from the detection device tube. Using the other hand, use the built-in pipette in the enrichment device to draw enriched sample into the bulb. Separate the enrichment swab from the tube and transfer the enriched sample to the detection device. The detection device has a fill line marked on the bottom of the tube. Fill to this line, or about 0.1 milliliter. The remaining enrichment sample can be returned to the incubator for additional testing. Replace the bulb on the detection device. Hold the swab tube firmly and use the thumb and forefinger to break the snap valve by bending the bulb forward and backward. Squeeze the bulb twice to expel liquid into the tube and shake for 5 seconds. Incubate for an additional 10 minutes. Using the insured luminometer, select the product or location that is being tested. Insert the MicroSnap detection device into the read chamber, close the lid, and press OK to initiate measurement. Results will be displayed in 15 seconds. For enumeration or quantitative measurement, refer to the table in the MicroSnap kit insert to determine the equivalent CFU levels detected by MicroSnap. If a positive result is found using the MicroSnap coliform test, then the convention would be to confirm the presence or absence of E. coli in the test sample using a MicroSnap E. coli detection device. To properly dispose of MicroSnap, disinfect the devices by autoclaving or soaking in 20% bleach for 1 hour. MicroSnap may then be safely discarded in the trash. For more information about MicroSnap or any other Hygiena product, contact us with the information on the screen.